Thanks for coming back for the trail making videos. Making a lot of progress. I kind of ran into a neat thing today, so hopefully we can kind of show you that. But let me catch you up real quick where we are at. So back behind us here, we have the trail that we've kind of already done. Made quite a ways in here, probably 200 yards to the notch area. So now we're to a corner piece over here, and I'll probably be coming around and cutting a few trees out. Probably leave this one, we'll probably come around here and then go straight down that way. Now I got some tree tops over there, so kind of work our way through those. They're kind of older, so I think we'll be okay. You know, we'll plow through them okay. But in this corner area, I did notice something, and it's kind of neat. So what it is, it's a nice deer path through here. I think it was an old logging road at one time, and once you get over that next hill over there, it really kind of is pretty easy walking. I'd probably almost take the UTV other than we have some pretty rough terrain right here. I might not stop the UTV, but we'll see. For now though, I think I might just open it up, make it a walking trail. The deer are already using it, but in the summertime it'll get pretty bushy and briary, so I kind of want to open it up, and that'll help us get around the farm a little bit. So I think I'll do that first. I'll use the hedge trimmer to get some of the briars out of the way. Might use the blade on the weed eater to get rid of some of the brushy trees out of the way, and then we'll divert our attention back over here to the trail we're trying to do. So anyway, we'll get started. I appreciate you watching again. Feel free to subscribe if you like seeing outdoors things happening, building trails. We're going to be doing a lot of hunting, make some hay, so all kinds of stuff outdoors going on. So appreciate you watching, and yeah, we'll get to it. Yeah, it looked like a pretty good deer trail back through there, so I'm kind of glad we cleared that out. Again, I don't know at this point if good for UTV, but that's okay. That's not what we're working on right now. So right now we'll get back to the original plan and start clearing out the UTV trail for the north perimeter access trail. Let's get started. All right, we made some significant progress through this notch area. We took everything that we cut and just kind of piled it up. A couple reasons to pile it up. You know, it kind of makes a good habitat for animals. So, you know, maybe a rabbit or something will find some shelter there. But I think we got a wide enough space now that we can get the UTV through. So I think we made it through the notch. We just need to make a turn here. So we'll Might have to start cutting down a tree or two right through here as we develop that turn. I thought it was going to be easier, but there's some trees in the way. But the good thing about a tree is it's just one cut, right? So all that down tree tops, you had to cut here. But with a tree or two, none of them are real big. So I think we can just kind of uh, cut them as we go and make a few cuts here and there. But it does get a little bit hairy, but I don't see very many down logs. So maybe our progress will be a little bit quicker. So anyway, I'm definitely going to try to get this turn knocked out, and then we'll see where we're at after that. Thanks for watching today. I do apologize. I actually messed up on this last part here, so um, just doing a voiceover. But as you can see, we're making huge progress on the trail. Just using hand tools to go through the woods here, both for access to the property and for the deer movement and everything. So again, I appreciate everyone watching. Each new subscriber just makes my day. So feel free to subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thanks a bunch from Mick G Farms. Bye.